Hello friends, welcome to part 50 of Laravel 13 series in which we are getting the AI powered e-commerce website. So this is the last part before we give the download option here in the sidemakers.in website. After this part, you can able to download after registering here as a member. Okay, you can search for the Laravel 13 and you can see earlier also I have provided Laravel 13 AI powered e-commerce starter kit. Okay, and also provided the Stack Developer Professional Bootstrap HTML template for this free of cost. And now another product I'm going to add here for part 1 to 50 for Laravel 13 series, AI powered Laravel 13 series. So this is the last part in which we are going to add the AI feature. After that, we are going to finish the e-commerce part, and then we'll come back to the AI features once again. We will do at that time the advanced AI features after completing the e-commerce process. Okay. So in this part, we are going to work on the another feature that we are going to display in the product detail page, and that feature is AI product specification generator. We are going to fetch specifications from official brand websites. So here you can see that we have displayed the key features in the last part, and also we have displayed the FAQs, but it lacks specifications. Specifications we have not displayed so far, and specification field is not there in the enemy panel. So we are going to display the specifications. These specifications will remain the same for the product. Okay. So we are going to fetch the specification from the AI, and AI is going to fetch the specification from the brand website. Okay. Not from any other website like for Samsung Galaxy S20 for mobile, it's going to search in the Samsung.com website, and whatever features it will get from there, it is going to display here. It's very good feature. Like if we are going to search for the iPhone, that it's going to search in the Apple.com website. So like this, it's going to search for from their brand website. Okay. So we are going to display here the specification. So this thing we are going to do in this part. So let's continue. Here you can see in the description as well these points. Okay, you can get this source code and this complete documentation by joining as a member. Okay, so here the first function we are going to add the generate product specification. This function we are going to add in the AI service where we have earlier also added some of the function. You can see we are already added the generate product description. I am going to align the function so that we can able to close them, we can able to collapse them. See the first function that we have added, that is the generate product description. We have generated the product description with the help of AI. After that, we have generated the category description with the help of AI. So another function, another prompt we have added in this function so that we can able to get the description from the AI. And after that, we have worked on the detect AI search query so that the AI can able to understand what actually user is typing. Okay, like if the user will say, I want a Samsung product, but the price must be less than 50,000, Samsung product less than 50,000, then it will understand and fetch from the AI. You see, is natural language search. So it will just break up the search query. Okay, it's very good thing. It's going to break up the search query and will display the result. Okay, so this is the function that we have added for that, and this one is also related with that. And then this one we have done in the product detail page, generate product highlights. Okay, so it is going to display the highlights of the products, that what is actually the products is having the features. Okay, that we are displaying. And then FAQs, the in the last part we have done the FAQs, we have shown the FAQs. It's going to display the FAQs from the product description itself. Okay, so to make the things clear. So now we are going to add another function, and that is the generate product specifications. Okay, for generating the product specification. And this time we are going to call the another API, OpenAI Response API. We are going to call this API so that we can able to fetch the details from its brand website. Okay, from the product brand website. Okay, so for that we are going to add this function. After this, we are going to add this function. Okay. So after adding this function, now we are going to update. See the prompt we are sending to AI, the prompt. The main thing is the prompt. Okay. And also we are going to send the product name as well as the brand to the AI so that the AI can able to generate the specifications according to that product and according to that brand. These two things the AI will send to the brand website to get the details of that particular product and particular brand. Okay. Because brand is required because it will then search for that brand. Okay, we have specified this Samsung. For the Samsung we have specified the samsung.com, and Apple then we have specified the apple.com. But uh, otherwise we are not required this. See, it's going to search for the from the brand website. Okay, it's going to search for making things secure. We can add the brands like this. Okay, if you can able to add, if there are some 5-10 brands, then it's better that if you can able to add these brands here. If there are too many brands, then it's automatically going to search. This one I have added because for better results. It may be the case like if I will not give this website samsung.com, then maybe some other website like sometime some other website like this, like samsung hyphen products, some generic website, some website that's any user have added and the information is not that much true, so it is going to search from some other website. Okay, so that's why we have given the website here as well to make things more secure and more safe. Okay, so unspotted brands, it's going to the same thing, that specification we are not going to display the specification for those brands that does not exist at all. So after that, the AI settings. Okay, so these are those settings that we able to set from the admin panel. And this is the main thing you can see. We are going to send the prompt to the AI. You are an expert e-commerce product specification assistant. Your task is to find accurate specifications for the given product from the official manufacturer website. Official manufacturer website. This is the website that we are going to search. So this is the official website, and this website you can see. This website will come from the brand itself. Okay, from the brands we are going to get going to search from this website. Okay, so use information from this website. We clearly tell AI to use information from this website. Okay, and the AI is going to return the specification like this. Okay. Now we are going to see, after adding this, we are going to add here the another thing that we are going to add to fetch the results from the AI and going to display in the product detail page. Okay, so for that we are going to update the product controller like we have done in the last part as well. So here we are going to add the AI product specification, and this we are going to add after AI product FAQ. After this, we are going to add here the AI product specification. This code in which we are going to fetch the specification from the AI. Okay, and going to return the specification to the blade file. So here at the end, we are going to add this specification so that we can return to the blade file. This is the JSON data, okay, that we will get from the AI, and we are going to convert it to array to display it in for each loop. Okay, so here is the product detail blade file. We are going to add it in product detail blade file. First, we are going to add the if condition, like if there is any specification coming, then we are going to display in the for each loop. So this one we are going to add below, I think below key features, we can able to add this one. So we are going to search for the features here. Okay, below key features, we are going to add this. Whatever specifications are there in the Samsung.com website, it's going to display that. Okay, so after that, we are going to refresh here and we'll see the result. Here you can see the specifications that come from the Samsung website. Display 6.2-inch FHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x 120 Hz processors Snapdragon 8th generation, 3 mobile platform, memory and storage 8 plus 128 GB. So these are the memory and storage. It's available in these variants. Okay. So rear cameras. So this is the rear cameras option in this mobile. Okay, so the complete specifications we able to fetch from the Samsung website and able to display in the product detail page. So see the advantage. It's too much advantage that we have got from the AI. So we have just used our open AI key that we have generated. Okay, and with the help of that key we able to fetch the specifications after sending the brand, product name. These two things we were sending. Okay, so you can try this feature at your end, and if you have any difficulty, you can surely contact me. Okay, and now you can see that you can able to get the source code of these 50 videos from sidemakers.in website. Okay, you can open this website, or you can also simply join the Stack Developer YouTube channel. You can open the Stack Developer YouTube channel. You can search for the Stack Developers and open this channel, stackdeveloperyoutube.com/stack developers, and you can join as a member to get the complete source code. And also, you can simply join here, register here in sidemakers.in website, and you can see. And one big advantage that you will get in this website, you will get the free resources once you will join as a member, and there are few free steps that you are going to do, and after that you are going to get all these scripts templates. These templates, 3 4 templates, 3 4 premium templates that will cost around 5,000 plus. Okay, so these all these scripts and templates you will get free of cost once you will join here, once you will register here, free of cost. Okay, and the register is free here. Okay, and you can also get the source code after paying small amount. You can get the source code, and you can also join as a member. Even if you will join as a starter stack developer, I will provide you the Laravel 13 website source code. Okay, I will provide you whatever we have done so far. I'm going to provide you for that, along with that AI powered features that you will get. Okay, so this is the big advantage that you will get. This is the 50% launch discount. This is the new website. Okay, this website I have updated. Okay, so you will get this discount. So you will get much more, whatever I'm saying, you will get much more out of it. Okay, and also you will get the complete support. So I hope that you will join the here at the side makers, and you can always comment on the YouTube channel as well if you will find any trouble. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.